Hello and welcome back to itheeverse lovelies. Are you surprised to see me so well dressed up? Okay, so let me tell you all that today's video is going to be about 7 minutes bridal makeup challenge. So yeah, सबसे पहले मैं बता दूँ ये वीडियो obviously inspired है मीचू से, which is Somya Gupta. Everyone knows, she doesn't need any introduction. So उसने किया था 5 minutes makeup challenge, but उसका था normal like basic makeup. So I have challenged myself to create this look in just 7 minutes. So don't skip this video in between and keep watching it till the end so that आपको पता चले कि मैं ये वीडियो या फिर ये लुक 7 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट कर पाती हूँ या नहीं. ओके, सो अनदर मोटिव ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज़ मे बी अभी कोविड के केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं और वापस लॉकडाउन हो सकता है. सो अभी जितने भी ब्राइड्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बुक नहीं किए हैं या फाइनलाइज नहीं किए हैं, सो उनके लिए ये वीडियो है जो खुद अपना मेकअप कर सकते हैं, जिनको एकदम मिनिमल लगना है, एकदम नेचुरल लगना है. सो अगर आपको ये लुक लगता है कि कंफर्टेबल है, आप कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू कैन गो विद दिस, ओ या दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू. इसमें मैंने ब्रशेस बहुत कम इस्तेमाल किए हैं और ये वीडियो ऐसे बनाया है जो नॉर्मल मेरे जैसे लोग कर सकते हैं, जो कि बिगिनर्स है या फिर जिनको मेकअप का एम भी नहीं आता है. सो या यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो. सो सबसे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस मेबेलिन मास्टर प्राइम का प्राइमर. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Hypercurl foundation and I'm in the shade 220. And as it is a time limit wala challenge, I'm not going to use any beauty blenders on this look. I'm just going to keep it simple. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer, Maybelline concealer. Stab it. now I'm using this contour and highlighting stick from Face. इसके दो साइड में contouring and highlighting वाला है. अनइवन हो गया. And then I'm using this Maybelline lipstick as my blush. And then we are going to blend everything together. Okay, so 7 minutes हो गए हैं and I've lost this challenge. So I thought कि ये हो जाएगा 7 minutes में, but anyway 7 minutes तो मेरा contour और ये सब ही करने में चला गया. So now that we have lost the challenge, we will go very आराम से and we will complete our look. And now we are going to powder pack. So for powder packing, I'm using my Maybelline compact. So now let's move on to the eyes and start with the brows. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the glazed color bold palette. So I think the red bold will kind of complement my outfit. So I will go with the red. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal Cartoon 2X Black Lacquer. I don't know what this is. Okay, but मैं इसको completely apply नहीं करने वाली हूँ because I'm going to apply white kajal also. So I'm just going to lightly apply it. So now I'm going to apply this VOV का white kajal. now we'll curl the lashes. So now using the same highlighter and contour stick, I'm gonna highlight my points. I'm using my highlighter palette over that. Finishing off with the powder blush. So once we are done with this, let's move on to the eyelashes. I'm gonna apply false eyelashes, and I'm trying this for the second time in the video, and I hope this turns out to be good. I'm so happy with this eyelashes. I was really not sure how this is going to turn out, but the best. So I got this eyelashes from Kharghar. There was a fair in Kharghar, sector 12. So वहाँ पे सारा handicrafts and everything मिलता है. So I got this from there, and I got them at 150, I think. Okay, so now that the eyes and everything is done properly, the last step that we are left with is the lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm gonna line my lips with this Maybelline color sensational powder matte cherry chic, and then over that I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick. So we are finally done with our minimal bridal look. So let's add some accessories and get ready. This is a minimal bridal look or the bridesmaid look also. You can like pair it with anything whichever you feel is comfortable or relatable. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share this because please यार मैं आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful videos बना रही हूँ, तो please keep sharing my videos with your friends and family. Ask your friends and family to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I put videos every Thursday, and yeah, we will meet next Thursday. Until then, see you.